The first thing you're going to need to do is log in. And then select your role, which, if you're applying, is applicant. If you have not applied for any grants previously, this will come up and you'll see View Programs, and you'll click that. It'll bring you to this page. If you have applied for grants in the past, it'll bring up any grants you have open or you've applied for, and you'll need to click on Programs, which will take you to this same page. And then you'll click on the Math Personalized Learning Grant and apply. And then you have math eligibility questions to start with. You need to be a public education institution, and this application must be filled out by a school or district level administrator. So check those and mark as complete. And then you'll need to go back to the application, and your next task is your Math Personalized Learning software application. And this is where you find the full application, and you'll need to read through this and fill it out. And if you have any questions as you're going through this process, please feel free to email me at cames@utah.gov.